They were helpless, and nobody helped them in the beginning. Later on, the same Friedrich Hirsch made youngsters to go to their dwellings and to slamniki. They helped them to help them cleanse this and wash them and so on and so forth. So I combined.
Under leadership of Friedrich Hirsch, Maccabi Hatzair and Hechalut, youngster and teenage warriors, created the action called Helping Hand, with one unshakable motto: nobody here will be left behind. We are all Jews, and one day we will turn the desert into a flourishing garden where every Jew will understand that we are all brothers.
So I combine it. And I also wanted to say a child has not the empathy. There was something, he's not clean, he looks like a beggar, and why he's begging his soup? Not that I gave it to him, but why he is asking for it. I couldn't grasp it. And how you can save, and how you can explain that even after this terribly look of a beggar, is a human being. I said, where is God? And it's that kind of question. And then the rabbi gives the answer. He is there where you let him in.
Yeah.
So the responsibility is in you and not in, and God is not behind mountains and so on, where is the wisdom and with your own mouth and with your own heart you can realize him. That is actually what the rabbi said, yes? It is upon you and you to create.